Hey, I'm Vile Kyle, and this is the Efficiency Show. Today we won't be that efficient because I'll just be attaching as many things to my helmet as physically possible. Alright, let's get started. Box cutter. Remote from my room. Let's get those lights back on. I'm gonna need them. Metro card. Oh, don't cut your fingers off. Painter's brush. Okay. A business card dispenser. Boom. Lock. And loaded. That was lame. Okay. Lip balm. Neosporin, because I'll probably hurt myself doing this. Tape measure. Oh, losing my paintbrush. Gaining a tape measure. Yes. Level. Alright, how we doing? Kind of off. 3-prong to 2-prong electrical stuff. Yes. Let's see. Magnet with some paper clips. Okay, get off of that. A can opener. Let's see, what else we got here? Sponge. That works. It's kind of like Velcro already. Another sponge. Yeah. Light. Great. Got some push lights on there. How about some Scotch tape? A mold of my teeth. Let's see. Certificate of authenticity. Yeah, right there. Let's get that to stick. Super glue. Great. 30 clothespins, that's what they're called. Yes. Bam. Pam. All right. See you later.